I went to pediatrics because I wanted to spend time with my patients and really get to know them. Due to the time constrictions nowadays with medicine, I was only spending 10 minutes with patients. So I wanted to make sure that I had more time for my patients. So Concierge Pediatrics was born, and it's perfect for the family who wants to spend an hour with their pediatrician instead of spending an hour waiting in the waiting room.
Every appointment is half an hour to an hour, so that gives ample time for people to get here, be seen, leave, and then the next patient to come in. So really we have a waiting room, but there's really no wait. You come in as soon as you get in. We appreciate your time is valuable, and so we are aware of that. That's why we are very on time all the time, and we don't make you wait.
If you're currently pregnant, we actually have prenatal care visits for free. Most parents want to know if we come to the hospital to see the baby. We currently don't come to the hospital directly. They're taken care of by the neonatologist, but we see you immediately after the baby goes to the house. So whether it's the exact same day you leave the hospital or the day after, there is no waiting time to get an appointment. You pick up the phone, call, let us know your child was born, and we'll be glad to take care of them.
And the other thing that we offer is same-day appointments, even for checkups. If you realize that you need a form filled from your school, that your child is going to camp and hasn't had a checkup, we do the checkups the same day. We try to accommodate your needs. We're very flexible as far as schedule goes. We try to work for you, work with you, so you can have easy access to us and not have to wait, for 1 or 2 weeks for a checkup appointment. Or even if your child is sick, we can see him the same day.
Everybody asks how we work. We have a membership type basis, kind of like a membership to the gym. So kiddos that are 0 to 7 years old pay $125 a month. Kids that are 7 and up pay $70 a month. But we did not ever think that it was fair to have anybody pay more than $2,800 a year for access to care. So we only have you pay for your first 2 children. Kid number 3, 4, and 5 come along for the ride. So if you have 5 kids, you only pay for 2. So it really is affordable, just as affordable as a cup of coffee a day.
And that monthly fee gives you access to every single visit you might have that month. It can be 1 visit, it could be 30 visits, and the fee will be exactly the same. It's a flat rate monthly. You don't have to pay anything extra when you come in any day of the week.
Most of our patients are referred through word of mouth, or actually their OB-GYN refers to them, knowing that we are a different practice.
They also value having someone to hold their hand through difficult situations. Let's say they get admitted to the hospital and they don't know what's going on. A lot of doctors go in and out. They can always call me and say, hey, I don't know what's going on. They told me this, they told me that. And I can visit with them in the hospital and kind of guide them and talk to the attending physician and be all on the same page. And that gives a lot of continuity of care and peace of mind to the parents. We don't work with insurance, so the only payment we receive from you will be the membership fee. There's no copay when you come in. There's nothing extra to pay when you come in. That flat fee will cover all your visits and will cover all the tests that we do in the office. If we have to send you to a lab for lab work, or if we have to send you to get some x-rays, you can use your insurance card for that and it will be covered under your insurance.
Everybody always thinks Concierge Pediatrics, it's not affordable, but it actually sometimes can actually save you money. I have a patient who last year paid, or actually 2 years ago, paid $17,500 in insurance for her family of 4. She has 2 children. She switched to a higher deductible plan and switched and paid $10,500 plus the membership fee for our Concierge Pediatrics. And with that, she's actually saving $4,500 a year with insurance. Not only to mention she saves on co-pays and unnecessary visits to the ER because she has access to me all the time.
Our membership doesn't cover the vaccine cost, but we do have the vaccines here. We administer the vaccines and we can provide you with a super bill so you can submit your own claim to your insurance company. Our medical assistant can, as a courtesy, can check for you how much you will be reimbursed for your vaccines if you get them here, and also can check through a pharmacy. If your vaccines are covered through a prescription, we have a pharmacy that we work with that sends us the vaccines and they submit the claim directly to the insurance so you don't have to pay anything out of pocket.
As first-time parents with Gabriel Parker, we were very concerned as we didn't know what to expect with the progression of his life. So being at Concierge Pediatrics and having Dr. Espana here for 24/7 access, we couldn't have been happier. She has answered all of our questions that we have on a daily, nightly time, because it is a whirlwind. So we have been thrilled to be able to have the kind of access to Dr. Espana through Concierge Pediatrics.
It feels great to have the option to have a doctor available anytime and to have a very close relationship to them and being confident that your baby's being taken care of by the best doctors all the time.
You don't have to sit and wait in long lines, wait for weeks to get appointments, sit with other sick crying babies, or even have to come in when you don't want to. They're literally available 24/7, even on holidays. And they don't take sick days. When you go Concierge Pediatrics, you never go back.
It's true.
It's true.
It's 24/7.
If you want to become a patient of our practice, you can just call our office number at 832-940-2262 and make an appointment. If you're not sure about how the practice works and you want more information, or you want to meet us and make a decision after you have met us, we do offer meet and greet that are free of charge, and we also offer prenatal consultations free of charge. So you can also make an appointment for that, come meet us, we'll explain everything, we'll show you around, and answer all the questions you might have.
So you get unlimited visits to your pediatrician and unlimited access to us 24/7. I think that sounds pretty good.